breaker for the hot water heater and the refrigerator. Mother-in-law suite. Full bathroom, closed in, washer and dryer. Radford Homes LLC. We buy, rent, and sell single family residence and multifamily, small multifamily. All new plumbing, new shower. Framing up the wall. Full gut rehab, folks, everything. Roof, all new plumbing throughout the whole entire house. Even the sewer lines was recently replaced. All new electrical, new drywall, new paint, new roof, landscaping, the whole 9 yards. You want to know more about that? Contact Radford Homes LLC. Salute all veterans. Peace.